With our WearAdvice, we implemented an orange rubber layer into the hose so that the operators can have an easy visibility of the wear.
According to JIC, you need to remove the hose beads every 6 months to make the hose inspection. And ELAFLEX has designed a click fix design to easily remove and reassemble the hose beads. And this is the first hose accessory according to EI 1522. You may know that we have very tough standards for hoses in terms of fuel discoloration and fuel contamination. ELAFLEX has put his experience from the hose production to the rubber compensators, and the rubber compounds are the same as for the hoses. This assures you a clean and bright fuel also for rubber compensators.